The market is showing you, like, it is holding a mirror in front of your face. And if you jump the gun, guys, it hurts to look into that mirror, because the market will slap you in your face. It shows you exactly who you are. What's going on, traders? It's Rafael back again with another video. In today's video, I'm going to go over the statistics of the FTMO challenge. I started, I think it was not last week, the week before, on Thursday I started the challenge. It took me 7 trading days to generate a 10% profit. So we are going to go over the statistics. I will show you the trades and everything, and then after that we talk about what do you need to succeed in these kind of challenges. For all of you who don't know what FTMO is a prop trading fund, and they capitalize skilled traders. So they give you the chance to show you that you have the skill to make consistent profits, and then they fund you with the money that you need, from $10,000 accounts up to $400,000 accounts, and you get 70% of the profit that you generate for the company every month. Okay, that's FTMO. And I'm actually recording all my trading sessions, and I started with a 10k challenge. The next one is 25, then 50, 100 and 200. I'm going to go through all the challenges, and I record every trading session, and then I'm going to edit into the Genius Trading Masterclass course that you see over here. So I'm going to create a new section, how to pass FTMO challenges and how to become a funded trader, where I show you exactly all the trades that I took, why I took them, and yeah, explain you my kind of trading style, my strategy that I'm using actually to pass the challenges on FTMO as a day trader. Like, I'm using most of my trades, I'm using like from the 1 minute chart to the daily chart. I mean, overall I'm always trying to understand what the market is trying to achieve next, because I want to move with the flow of the market. If you're not moving with the flow, you're probably not able to make money. So this is kind of the hardest part. Yeah, but once you got it, then yeah, there's a lot of money to be made. All right, so let's get into the statistic. As you can see, it's a nice bullish trend. The first day was a losing day. First, I started good. I was on 1.8% profit, and then I took 1 or 2 losses, then made another revenge trade, then got lucky and finished the day with like minus 0.7%. So the first day was shit. I didn't really stick to the plan on 3 trades or something. It was like an over trading scenario. It was not good. But anyways, for the upcoming 6 days, all of them were winning days. So yeah, I get back to my discipline, followed my trading plan, and everything worked out pretty well. I always try to cap my downsize at 2% loss per day maximum. If I lose 2%, I'm out. And on the other side, when I catch like 1 or 2 good trades, then that's it for the day. It's very important for you to understand. You're not making money because you take trades, guys. You make money because you trade your setup. And if you have like 1 or 2 good trades, that's it for the day. That's all you need. Like 1 or 2 trades, that's all we need. So my maximum daily loss was 2.2%. Overall, 2.2 was my maximum drawdown. And yeah, I reached the target after 6 winning days in a row. So it took me 7 days. Now I'm just the last couple of days, like I need 3 days. Today is the 8th day, so I just need 2 days more, tomorrow and the day after that. where I need to just open orders, just open trades with 0.01 lot, and then I'm good. As you can see, my average profit per trade was around $41 and the average loss was around $25. And the reason why the average risk reward ratio is not at around 2 or 2.5 or 3 is because I always try to load up on a good trade. So this is what kind of got my risk reward ratio, my overall average risk reward ratio a little bit down. But for me it worked out pretty nice, because if you have a good trade running and you're able to scale in like 1 or 2 more times and you win this, then you squeeze it even more. Like with I had one trade with an initial risk of $30 and I was loading it up and closed around, I think 280 or something. It was pretty crazy. It was a 1-to-9 risk reward ratio, so $270 or something like that. And yeah, my accuracy is like 50%. The accuracy would be even more than 50% if I would have not loaded up on a good trade, because sometimes it hit my stop, and this is how I'm like, it is still a win trade, but I got some positions and closed some positions in minus, you know. But anyways, let's go over a couple of trades here. $80 win, $26, $3 loss. Like this would have been one of my uploaded positions that I closed at around break even. But like, as you can see, it's all about small losses, small wins, and a couple of big winners. That's the key, guys. Okay, this is what we focus on, and this is how you can win this game. If you have a good trade, take some partials on the way and try to let it hit your highest target. And on the way to your highest target, you can try to load it up, of course. Then look at that. I had one losing streak over here. Yeah, some wins, some losses, some bigger wins. Like overall, pretty solid statistic. I mean, I just had one losing day and the rest is just profits, pure profits. But anyways, guys, what do you need to succeed? What do you need to succeed in this industry, guys? You need consistency. This is the most important part, and it comes with patience and it comes with discipline. Consistency means only trade your strategy, and I'm talking about your strategy your entry strategy should be 1 or 2 moves maximum that you are focused on. That means it could be like a pattern that you're looking for in the market. Just focus on one pattern, one move. That's all you need. You can build your whole trading career around just one pattern, because if you only trade like one pattern on one market, or 1 to 2 patterns on one market, you will get the consistent results. I mean, you would have like an average accuracy, and if you are able to make 50% accuracy with a average risk reward of 1.5 or 2, maybe 2.5 or 3, you are going to make so much money. It's unbelievable, guys, and that's all you need. And it's so important. Like, I like to trade only on one market because I'm a day trader, you know. I'm getting in and out pretty quick. So as a day trader, one market is more than enough. If you're a swing trader, you're holding trades for a couple of days and whatnot, of course you can look on more than one market, because you don't have to be in the zone and watch your trade running like the whole time. You know, you don't need to monitor the trade as a swing trader. But if you're a day trader, if you like the trading style that I'm using, then you should focus on just one market, one move, maximum 2 moves, and that's it. And what is very important to pass this FTMO challenge is, guys, your risk management. I personally wanted to risk like 0.5% per trade and maximum 1%. It depends on how I was winning or losing. If I am below the starting balance, I want to trade with 0.5%. I want to first get above the starting balance, and if I have like a little puffer, like a little air to breathe, a little profit on my side, then I can start to think about using 1%. Or what I like to do is I start with the 0.5% risk on a position, and if I get the confirmation from the market that the market wants to move in my direction, then I'm trying to load it up, maybe upsize my risk to 0.75%, 0.8%, sometimes even 1%. And then I try to milk the market, move the stop with the structure and all that stuff, and yeah, scale in on a good run. This is how I'm doing it. What I do as well, guys, maximum daily loss 2%. It helps you to don't overtrade. It helps you to don't have this revenge trading that fucks up your whole account balance. I mean, and FTMO is a prop trading fund. They want to see that you are disciplined and that you are able to stick to consistent risk management, and then that you are not facing big drawdowns. That's so important for them, because they are, at the end, they risk their capital, give it to you so that you can generate profits for the company and for yourself. So you have to be disciplined, you have to be consistent, and you have to be, of course, patient to wait for your move. And another very important thing is regarding consistency, guys. What I like to do, like you have to know like the time on a day where you trade. When I trade Euro US dollar, for me personally, I like to get in a late London session or the first 2 hours during the New York session. This is like, these are the times, like this is like late London is like the last after 2 or 3 hours from the London session. So let's say it starts at on my side, it starts at around 9. So I like to get in after 10:30, 11 o'clock. And because most of the time, many times, that what I've experienced is that Euro US dollar is kind of fucking around a little bit the first 1 or 2 hours in London, and then when I get this my entry pattern, because I like to trade in areas where other people got stopped out before. And when I see the market is giving me a nice break of structure after they stopped some people out, I'm waiting for the market to come back into this area to get in with the market makers. This is what I'm trying to do. So this is kind of the pattern that I like to trade. I like to trade trend continuation, and so yeah, so I'm focusing on smaller time frame reversal patterns and continuation patterns, and yeah, that's what I'm doing. So guys, you need patience and discipline. That means you need to know what are you looking for in the market. You need to know what kind of move you're looking for, and then you need to wait for that move. And that's the hardest part. You need to sit on your fingers, don't do anything, just let the market give you the chance to show you your move. Like, don't jump the gun. That's so important, because many of you have this problem. You want to trade, you're so addicted to trading that you want to take the trade. But guys, you are making money with sticking to your strategy, waiting for your setup, waiting for your best entry, waiting for your best setup. That's how you make the money. This is how you stick. This is how you stay consistent, and this is how you prove to yourself that you are patient, and patience will pay. You need to wait for the market to show you your pattern, your move, and then you can act on that and jump the gun. Don't jump the gun because you think the market will do something. Like, let the market show you what it wants to do and then step into the game. And if you lose, guys, this is so important, but it's the same thing. Even if you lose, you feel like this pressure, like you want to get back the money as quick as possible, but it doesn't work like that, guys. The market will slap you in the face 100%. I swear, guys. The market is showing you, like, it is holding a mirror in front of your face. And if you jump the gun, guys, it hurts to look into that mirror because the market will slap you in your face. It shows you exactly who you are. And you have to be patient, you have to be disciplined, you have to wait for your move. And if you lose a trade, that's fine. That's part of your risk management. You don't need to become nervous or something. You just have to stick to your trading plan. Stick to your risk management. You know what you are willing to lose. If you lose, that's fine. The market just showed you that you are not right on this time. But if you get the next move, the next signal, the next setup, just trade it with confidence. Wait for it. If you see it, then trade it with confidence, and then you will get your 50%, 70% accuracy. I'm sure it is possible. I know I've been there. Many of our traders are there. Guys, there's so much money in the market if you can just be consistent, patient, wait for your moves, be disciplined, guys. Straight risk management, and that's all you gotta do. I mean, that's not a big deal, but yeah, you need to stop revenge trading, guys. I think this is one of the biggest obstacles everybody out there is facing as a trader, especially as a beginner trader. If you lose a trade, you get into this negative cycle and this negative cluster of trying to get it back as quick as possible, jump in with another trade, same direction. But if the market is not moving with you, guys, you trade against the flow, it will slap you in the face a couple of times until you burn your account, you lose your account, whatever it might be, and it will just make you feel shit. So don't do this for yourself. You don't want to feel like you're stupid, so just be patient. And guys, I cannot stress it enough. Stay consistent, stay patient, stay disciplined, wait for your moves, and never revenge trade, guys. This is how we make money in the markets. Let's talk about yesterday's trade, how I finished the challenge. I took this sell over here. I mean, overall, we broke bullish structure clearly, had a nice downward move. For me, this was like it was a continuation trade within that bearish structure. We put some buys into the market, then they fucked them up. Then we had a minor high over here in that bullish structure, which got liquidated. And yeah, I was just interested in that in that zone, the last move up before we had that bigger drop. This is where I entered the sell, tried to take profits around 605. It was a 1.68 risk reward, and I banked profits. I told the team to take partial profits, move stop to break even, and after that it hit our break even stop. But for me, it was enough to make like 1%, and I was out because I finished the challenge. Next thing I'm going to do is the 5% verification round, and then after that I'm going to go straight into the $25,000 challenge, record everything, and then edit into the Genius Trading Masterclass course. Guys, what I like to do, as I told you, I like to trade trend continuation, and I like to trade reversals as well. I mean, if you have the bearish structure over here and it breaks the structure, as soon as it comes back into that last zone where we put sellers into the market that got fucked over here, this could have been a nice entry zone to buy this thing off, and it went well. But anyways, this is not a trade that I took because my bias were overall sell in this scenario, because I think that the market is trying to get back into this zone. Like this is the thing that I'm looking at right now, because we have kicked some buyers out of the market in here, and then we had a strong move. This is what I like to see. So if it comes back into this zone where we stopped, I mean, we stopped some buyers here, right? And then the market was moving strong. If it taps back into that zone, I'm looking for a nice buy confirmation and try to get this thing running. And of course we have some liquidity on yesterday's lows as well. I think we are going to move straight through it. It could turn around on this zone here as well, but I think this one is significant and more significant, so we're probably going to see a move through this. And then the bonds, this is what I'm looking at. Of course I study the market for a long time. I've studied structure for a long time, and yeah, for me it looks obvious, you know. As a beginner it's not that easy. So if you need help, if you need a structured course or whatever, just drop me a message in Telegram. I'm there to help. You will find the link in the description. Drop me a message in Telegram. Join my free public Telegram channel where I'm sharing some of my trading ideas with you, sharing some results, motivational stuff, where I share giveaways, and where I keep you up to date about my YouTube journey, whatever, like everything. So make sure to join the free Telegram channel if you're not in yet. And then yeah, let's keep it rolling, guys. It's time to make some money. You have to become prop traders, guys, because it's just the best way to start this trading career. You don't need to risk your own money. All you gotta do is pay the fee for the challenge. Like for the 10k challenge is 140 euros. And for 140 euros you can grow your account up to 400,000. Like for me, that's a no-brainer. If you are a skilled trader, 140 euros to get a $10,000, then you go pass the challenge, pass the verification round, make some money on the 10k, then buy the next challenge, the $25,000 with your profits, then do the same thing with the $50,000 challenge, with the 100k challenge, with the 200k challenge, then you're overall over $375,000 to trade with, and 70% of the profits are for you. Now look how the market is just slashing through yesterday's low. If they have fucked up, like if they grabbed the liquidity over here, now we can look out for reversal patterns on the smaller time frame, 1 minute chart, 5 minute chart. I mean, I would like to see that the structure gets broken again. I want to see how the structure gets broken and then taps back into that zone where it grabbed liquidity to move this thing to the upside, because it's still very bullish. And if you look at the 4-hour chart, we just made a double top, and I'm sure there is a lot of liquidity sitting over here, so we're probably going to shoot through that one. Not 100% sure, but this is what I think will happen. So I'm happy to wait for a nice reversal. And as I told you, I was thinking like this one is not like it's not that significant, and as you can see, it already slashed through the whole zone over here, and we're probably going to see another bigger drop into this area, and this is what I think it could be the next possible major reversal zone. But let's see how it will play out. Maybe I'm going to take another trade, but just with 0.01 lot, or maybe I'm going to start the $25,000 challenge. I already paid for it, and yeah, I record my journey to pass all these challenges and help you out, guys. That's what I'm going to do. So yeah, that's it for this video. I think it's 23 minutes already. That's enough, guys. I hope you made notes, guys. Consistency, patience, and discipline. Only trade your strategy. Focus on 1 to 2 moves maximum. Just focus on one pair, one market. Risk management should not exceed 1% per trade. That should be the maximum as a day trader. If you're a swing trader, you just take 1 or 2 trades per week. Maybe you could go for 2%. I don't recommend it. I like to day trade. You have to make this decision on your own. I think 2% is a lot. If you just have like 10% maximum drawdown, if you take 5 losses in a row, you're out. Better to stick to 1% as a swing trader as well. I like to stick to 0.5 to 1% because I'm taking multiple trades per day. Sometimes 2, sometimes 1, sometimes 3, sometimes 5. Depends on what the market is willing to give me as opportunities. And of course, maximum 2% loss per day, and then I'm out, guys. Very important. Wait for your move to happen. Don't jump the gun. And if you lose a trade, wait for your next setup. That's the hardest part, but you gotta master that. All right, guys. Let's get it. Make some money, and I wish you a great day. Peace. When you